Hey YouTube, it's Mystery Shadow 1969. I'm on Royal Caribbean's newly amplified Harmony of the Seas. Check this out. I'm up here on deck 15. We're at the back of the ship, going down the port side. See up ahead, we got mini golf. Mini golf on a cruise ship. Got a zip line over here. Looks like someone's ready to zip.
Is veel gedeelte, hè?
There they go. Pretty wild. Zip lining on a cruise ship. Inside this fish bowl here, got ping pong. Looks pretty competitive in there. Great aft view here. Real popular place here. Just ahead of us is El Loco Fresh. El Loco Fresh is complimentary, and it's quite good. Matter of fact, I just had lunch here today. Sports court looks like it's really hopping. Lots of things happen here on the sports court. Across the ways, you can see the mini golf. Like another zip liner. Where'd you zip? What fun. The zip line goes across the boardwalk. But there's more fun back here. Today on the Flowrider, we got boogie boarding. Boogie boarding on Flowrider. It's a launch for the ultimate abyss. Get up here in the anglerfish and ride down here from deck like 16 and a half down the boardwalk. And you got a second Flowrider over here. Stand-up Flowrider. Looks like this guy's a pro. I always wondered, how do you get good at Flowriding? Does he have one of these at home that he practices before coming out here to show off on the cruise ship? I don't know. That sure does look fun. Check out the mini golf. Go ahead. People here getting suited up. Zip line. And here it is. Mini golf. Hey. Looks like there's a cornhole here too. Miniature golf. And of course, here's me once again, Mystery Shadow 1969. And once again, we're on Royal Caribbean's amplified Harmony of the Seas. Hopefully you like this video. If so, please give it a thumbs up. I appreciate that. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. I appreciate that too. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Hopefully, I'll get to see you on board soon. Have a great day. Since we're here, might as well take a peek inside the local fresh. I mean, heck, why not? Got Fixins Bar. Got all your favorites here. Looks good to me.
Should all be in there, no?